Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 317 at Palm Garden Hotel in Putrajaya. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have the wardrobe with the bathrobes, hangers, ironing board, iron, in-room slippers, and right above is a bit of storage. Behind this one, you have drawers below, in-room safe, and shelves right above. Here we have the fridge, which should be empty. It is. And here we have the pantry area with the mugs, tea, coffee, sugar, kettle, and all that stuff. And right above, a couple of glasses and a couple of bottles of water. And there is a plug right there. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here we have the bathroom. Inside the bathroom to the left is a sink with your sink amenities, huge mirror, hello, towels, the toilet down below, and right here we have the shower area. Right, so further inside the room, here we have the connecting room door, a mirror, place to put your luggage with storage, more storage below the TV. And speaking of the TV, it is a flat screen Sharp TV. Here we have the TV remote as well as the air conditioning remote. And here we have the desk area with a light, a plug next to the light, another mirror, and a chair. And it is a twin bedroom, so there are two beds and one bedside table in the middle. For the bedside table, there is storage below with a drawer, your sanitizing wipes, paper and pencil, in-room telephone, clock, and a light. Okay, so here we have an armchair with a coffee table and a standing light right behind the chair. This room does have a balcony, but it is dark out so you can't see much. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 317 at Palm Garden Hotel in Putrajaya. Thanks for watching and goodbye.